A lot of people are asking me right now whether they should buy a home now or should they wait. There's a couple of questions that you need to ask yourself to determine that answer. One is, do you have the funds available? Are you ready to make a purchase? Can you afford the monthly payments? And if the answer to those questions is yes, then I think that you should definitely go ahead and buy. Trying to time the market is very difficult, and most people don't know it was the right time until they look in the rearview mirror. And one thing that we know for sure is that there is still a lot of demand out there. So as interest rates start to come down, we're going to see more buyers come out, and it's going to put pressure on home prices to move back up again. So right now, you have the flexibility to negotiate on the price, get some closing costs covered, and certainly be able to keep your contingencies in place, your home inspections, your appraisal, your loan, and things that will help protect you to know everything that you can about the property before closing escrow. Remember, it was just a year ago when all those things were being waived and you would have to make an offer much higher over the list price in order to be able to get your offer accepted. This way, buy now, you can buy under your terms, and if interest rates did come down, you can always refinance in the future.